Alright, start my blogs early because tomorrow Tennessee just declared a state of an emergency for the blizzard we're about to get. People in Clarksville, you need to take shelter if you can. We're about to get 7.7 feet. 7 feet, 7 inches of snow, people. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know how we're going to get out of the house. Adriana didn't get the bread. She didn't get the milk. Luckily, Cody's girlfriend, Mom, raises a bunch of chickens. And they shit out a bunch of eggs. And we still got a bunch of eggs. So if we get stuck in the house, we can eat eggs. Like, we got a bunch of eggs. Like, see? Like, 2 big things. So, yeah, see? Still chicken shit on them. So, and Adriana's got her monsters, so we'll be just fine. But if you don't hear from me tomorrow, just, don't worry, I'll be back, okay? And just for you people that I work with, my wife got a text saying that the PX was closed tomorrow, and they already said his post is closed, only essential personnel, so I wonder what's going to happen. Are we going to go to work at 7? I don't know. But whatever you do, don't text the boss. Okay? Okay.